ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਦਿਸ ਐਪੀਸੋਡ ਆਫ ਦ ਹਰਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਸ਼ੋ। ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਿੰਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਚੋਣਾਂ ਆ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ 14 ਮਈ ਨੂੰ, ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਮੁੱਖ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਅਸੀਂ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਦੇ ਉਮੀਦਵਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਬੁਲਾ ਕੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਂਝ ਪਵਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਚੱਲ ਸਕੇ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਉਮੀਦਵਾਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਕੀ ਸੋਚ ਹੈ, ਕੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਪਿਛੋਕੜ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ। ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਬਰਨਬੀ ਲੋਹੀਡ ਦੀ ਰਾਈਡਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਜਿੱਥੋਂ ਦੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਹਨ NDP ਪਾਰਟੀ ਦੇ ਉਮੀਦਵਾਰ ਜੇਨ ਸ਼ਿਨ। Welcome to the program.
Hello, thank you, Sukriya. Thank you for having me.
Thank you. So a little bit about yourself, Jane, that what you have been doing and what prompted you to jump into provincial politics.
Oh, okay. For me, my family and I immigrated here when I was 11. That's 20-some years ago.
Right.
And I have gone on to since train in medical school, and I found my passion in teaching. So I have been teaching for quite some time now. I'm currently a faculty at Vancouver Community College.
Okay.
And I have formerly served as a head of department at BCIT.
Wow.
And but I also have passion for small businesses.
Right.
So I help oversee the small fishing tackle store in North Burnaby. Now, with that, having trained in medicine and working in the educational field for quite some years now, I do see every day the challenges that our education and healthcare systems, our social services and programs are facing.
Right.
And so I needed to step up and be a part of the political process so we can start putting things back in the right direction for us.
So that's what prompted you to jump into provincial politics.
Yes, I
And
have.
why the NDP?
BCNDP has the same core values that I believe in and that I'm very proud of as a Canadian.
Right.
And those would be making education accessible for everybody, having a strong, better healthcare system, and of course, a strong economy and a commitment to environment. And because those are the values that I have, and I also believe they're important to every Canadians,
Right.
I decided to run with BCNDP.
Okay. And what has been your community service? How you have been involved in the community prior to jumping into provincial politics?
I think I always had passion for it. As soon as I enrolled in elementary school when I first immigrated here, and soon after when I started high school, I became very active with Red Cross, the Multicultural Society of BC, and
Right.
Greenpeace. So I've been door knocking and asking for donations and
Okay.
asking for support ever since I was 12, 13.
Right.
So that's the work that I have been doing for quite some
Okay,
time.
let's come to your riding now, your
Sure.
constituency, Burnaby Lougheed.
Yes.
So if you can give us some demographics of this particular riding, what is the kind of work people are doing, or what are the kind of communities living over here?
Okay.
Just let us know about that.
Burnaby Lougheed is the northeast corner of Burnaby. It's a beautiful community with Burnaby Mountain, where SFU is located, and we have
Right.
Burnaby Lake in the area also. And it's a very diverse and thriving community. We have good number of Chinese Canadians that make up about 1/3 of the community.
Okay.
We have South Asian community that's a strong support base for us there. We have also a lot of Koreans and a lot of Iranians, Filipinos.
So it's a mixture.
It's a very good mixture,
Okay, that's
absolutely.
wonderful. So let's talk a little bit about the issues and challenges which people are facing, because now campaigning is in full swing. You must be
Yes.
going and door knocking,
Yes.
talking to the people. So what kind of issues are being brought forward by them?
I would say that the issues and the challenges for Burnaby Lougheed is no different than the bulk of Metro Vancouver. People are concerned about where healthcare is going.
Okay.
Are things getting better, or are they getting worse? And it has been trending worse. Education since this past decade under the Liberal government, when the tuition freeze was lifted, it has doubled and tripled, making things very unaffordable. Housing is an issue, as well as the daycare concerns. And those are the same issues that most Metro Vancouver populations do face.
As an educationist, as an entrepreneur,
Yes.
what you have said, the opposition, that is the Liberal Party, is saying that we are the ones who can provide a stable economy, a strong economy. So when you are interacting with the people, are these topics also coming about? Economy is a major concern for the people. So are these issues also coming forward, and how do you react to this statement that the Liberals claim that we are the ones who can provide a stable future?
Right. Economy is, a robust economy is a vital thing for all BC families, but I don't think it's a matter of economy or something else. I
Right.
think it's both. We need to make sure that we have a strong economy, but also at the same time, we need to make sure that the issues of today's families are addressed. It's not an either or.
Right.
So for BC NDP, we do make it a point to reach out and connect with every segment of our society, so
Right.
that it would include small businesses as well as big businesses, but also at the same time making sure we are striving towards a society where it's just and generous and our working families are properly supported.
So Jane, if you are elected as an MLA,
Yes.
it's great. We should be proud of our culture, but also we
Sure.
live in Canada where we should intermingle with each other. We should
Absolutely.
know about the cultures of other communities. So would you initiate any steps so that we all integrate, and as we say, Canada is a cultural mosaic and we are truly able to represent that?
I believe so. I think the celebration of diversity really is at the face of Burnaby as well as our Metro Vancouver, and I think it's something that I take a great pride in. And when you look at our current BC NDP team, you will see the diversity that's clearly reflected there.
Right.
I'm a Korean Canadian, a proud Canadian that's of Korean descent. We have South Asians that are running with us. We have a Filipino candidate that's running with us, and I think it will be an exciting team for BC politics.
Right. Okay, let's talk a little bit about when you're going and interacting with the people.
Yes.
So what's the kind of response coming, and do you find some kind of the people want some kind of change? Are the people talking about something new? Are they asking you for some promises? And also, if you are giving any, will you be able to fulfill those?
At the doorstep, the responses have been overwhelming. I have been knocking on the doors and meeting the constituents for the past year now.
Right.
And a lot of people are looking for a change and they're ready for a change.
Right.
They're looking for a government that will start governing and stop campaigning. And they're looking for a government that will really invest in healthcare and education
Right.
before committing another dollar to a paid ad, negative attacks. So British Columbia is, as well as Burnaby Lougheed, is ready for a change, and I think BC NDP will be the team that will deliver the changes that we need in BC.
And towards the end, why should the public vote for Jane Shen?
Oh, wow. Because I had a history of having battled a serious illness. I do have parents who went back to school in their 50s. I do have small businesses that I helped oversee. I am also working as a young professional. There's many aspects of my life story so far that is very similar to, I think, most of the people that I meet at the doorstep. So whatever your concern or issue is, I believe that I can really hear and feel for the kind of struggles that they're going through. And that, I believe, is my probably strongest attribute in being a good advocate for the community that I look forward to serving in the legislature.
Congratulations and best wishes for May the
Thank you.
14th.
Thank you.
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ। ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਜੇਨ ਸ਼ੇਨ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਬਰਨਬੀ ਲੋਹੀਡ ਤੋਂ ਉਮੀਦਵਾਰ ਹਨ NDP ਦੇ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਇੱਕ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨਿਸਟ ਹਨ, ਇੱਕ ਐਂਟਰਪ੍ਰੀਨਿਓਰ ਵੀ ਹਨ, ਅਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਿੰਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਪੋਲਿਟਿਕਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੰਪ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਮਕਸਦ ਹੀ ਇਹ ਹੈਗਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਬਚਪਨ ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਇਹ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, ਅਤੇ ਇਹ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਕੋਈ ਬਦਲਾਅ ਲਿਆਉਣਾ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ ਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਮੀ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ, ਤਾਂ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਠੀਕ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਇਹ ਅੱਗੇ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, ਤੇ 14 ਮਈ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਆਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਕਾਬਲੀਅਤ ਨੂੰ ਮੁੱਖ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੋਟਾਂ ਪਾਓਗੇ।